upon a time, in a nearby jungle where all the animals lived, there lived a naughty elephant. His name was Jumbo. Jumbo always troubled all the animals because he was bigger than all of them. In the same jungle, there lived a family of ants. They were a hard-working family. They would gather food during the day. On one such day, while they were gathering food, Jumbo splashed water at them. The ants said, "Please don't throw water on us. We are making great effort to collect food." The Jumbo said, "I will do what I want. You are so tiny, you can't do anything to me." The ants grew very sad and helpless. One day, when the hunter had come into the jungle, Jumbo was trapped in a giant net. The hunter focused his gun at Jumbo. Just then, he yelled in pain and he missed the shot. The net broke free and Jumbo jumped after him. The hunter got back into his car and went away. Jumbo looked down at the ants and said, "Thank you, ants. If you had not bitten the hunter, I would have died. I will never trouble anyone anymore. I understand that even a small ant can do great things that I cannot do." The ant said, "Never underestimate anyone." Then on, Jumbo helped the ants gather food and they became great friends and happily coexisted in the jungle. Even the other animals lived happily ever after.
Moral of the story: never underestimate anyone and hurt anyone. Always be kind to smaller or weaker creatures.